Hi, my name is Joanna. I'm a physiotherapist at Singapore Heart Foundation. With me, I have Uncle Phillip here. We are in the fitness corner. You may have something like this in your estate, and so we are here to demonstrate to you how to use this equipment safely. Before we start, take a look at the safety precautions. This is the first strength training component, exercise station that we are doing. I hope that you have done your warm-up before we start. And if you should be concerned about hygiene when using this equipment, you may want to consider using disposable glove. Let's get Uncle Phillip to come forward at the machine. Place one hand on the stationary part of the machine, the other hand on the handlebar. Step on to the machine with one foot, steady yourself and step on with the other. And then place your other hand on the handlebar. Looking straight ahead. Standing upright, use your truncal muscles, swing your leg from one side to another side at about 30-degree angle. So I'd like you to do this for about a minute. If you have never done this before, then you may want just to start off with just 1 minute of this exercise. So when you want to dismount, stop the machine and then place one hand on the stationary part and then step off with one leg and then step off with the other leg. So for this next exercise, we go on to the leg strengthening exercise to give our arms a rest. For this particular exercise, which is a leg press, please take note that it is not suitable for somebody who has gone through a hip replacement surgery, or if they got knee joint pain, this may not be suitable as well. Lastly, if they have got a history of back pain, then this may not be suitable for you. Okay, so let's get Uncle Phillip to come forward to go onto the machine. Place one hand on the mid part of the machine and then one hand on the handlebar. Swing one leg across and then sitting onto the seat of this leg press. When you're stable, place one leg on the foot plate and then the other on the foot plate. When doing this exercise, this leg press, as you extend your knee, exhale, and then coming forward slowly, inhale. Exhale and inhale, and I'd like you to do this for another 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, when dismounting, place your feet flat on the ground, holding on to the mid part of the machine and the handlebar. Get up into standing and swing your leg across into standing. So with this next exercise, this is the upright twister. Okay, it's really good for the abdominal muscles. So how you mount on it is place your hands, both hands on the handlebar, step up onto the foot plate with one leg and then the other leg. Steadying yourself, looking in front. Standing upright, using your truncal muscles to twist from side to side, about 45 degrees on each side. For a start, you may want to do this for 5 minutes. So breathing normally, twist from one side to another side. Okay, when stepping off, okay, stop the twisting, step off with one leg and then the other leg into standing. Okay, with this next station, this is called a shoulder press machine. Okay, it actually tones up the muscles in your arms, right? And it is a hydraulic machine, so if you have never used this machine before, okay, kindly put the resistance knob to the minimum. Okay, Uncle Philip, can you come forward please? Placing your hand at reaching out to the seat, slowly sit down on the seat and then lean back on the backrest. Place your hand on the handlebar. With effort, I would like you to extend your elbow, exhaling. As you come down slowly, nice and controlled, inhale. Exhale and inhale, keeping your eyes looking forward. Exhale, extending your elbow. So upon stopping this exercise, place your hands off the handlebar, okay, place it on the seat and then leaning forward, go up into standing position. Okay, with this next strength training station, we work on the scapular retraction. So Uncle Philip, can you come forward please? Place one hand on the handlebar, the other hand on the seat, and then slowly sit on the seat. Bringing one leg across, and then next putting one leg on the foot plate and the other leg on the foot plate. Place your hands, both hands on the handlebar. And as you draw your arm towards your tummy, I would like you to exhale and then slowly control the movement and inhale. So draw the arm towards your tummy, exhaling and inhaling. So when we want to dismount, okay, place your leg on the ground once again. Place one hand on the seat. Bring your leg across the other side. Push off with your hands into standing position. With this next strength training station, it is called the hydraulic chest press machine. If you have not done this machine before, okay, it's good to put your resistance to the minimum. So Uncle Philip, can you come forward with your head facing forward? Step back until you can feel the seat with your legs. Holding on to the handlebar, slowly descend yourself into the seat and then leaning back with your feet flat on the ground. The starting position of this exercise is with the bar close to your body. In this manner, right? Looking straight ahead, I would like you to extend the bar away from you until your elbow is straight and then drawing the bar towards you in this manner. One more time. Exhale, keeping your eyes looking straight ahead, and then inhale as you draw the handlebar towards you. When you stop your exercise, place your hands on either side of your seat. Okay, pushing yourself forward and then leaning forward up into standing position. With this next strength training station, it is known as the hydraulic squat, right? So if you have not used this machine before, please ensure that you put the resistance to the minimum. And Uncle Philip, can you come forward to the machine? And with your feet hip width apart, toe pointing forward, place your hands on the handlebar, lower yourself into a quarter squat position, bring yourself forward, stepping forward until this support is resting on your shoulders. In this position, we will start the quarter squat. So, extending your hip and knees, exhaling, and then as you go down to a quarter squat, inhale against the resistance of the machine. Exhale, extending your hip and knees, looking straight ahead, yes, and then lowering yourself down into a quarter squat position. Exhale again one more time, and then inhale. Okay, so when you want to remove, step away from the machine, kindly, look up slightly with your head, and then pull yourself away from the machine and up into standing position. Okay, with this next strength training station, it is called a hydraulic triceps. If you have not done this machine before, kindly put the resistance to the minimum level. Uncle Philip, can you step forward? Okay, with your head facing forward, step back until you feel the seat with your back of your legs. Reaching out with your hands, slowly descend into the seat and then lean back. With your feet planted on the ground, place your hands on the handlebar just next to your body. Draw the lever up towards you. And this is the starting position of this exercise. Okay, as you look forward, extend your elbow, exhaling, and then lift the lever up towards you, inhaling. Exhale, and inhale. Extend your elbow, exhaling, and then lift the lever up towards you, inhaling. Exhale and inhale. When you have completed your exercise, the lever should be in a down position with your elbows extended. Place your hands on either side of the seat. Shift your buttock forward, leaning forward up into standing position. With this next strength training station, it is known as the Pectoral Fly. It is a hydraulic machine. So if you have not done this machine before, kindly put the resistance to the minimal level. Uncle Philip, can you kindly step forward with your head facing forward? Step back until you can feel the seat with the back of your legs. Reach out with your hands and then slowly sit down and lean back against the backrest of the seat. Place one hand on the forearm pad of the machine and the other hand on the other forearm pad of the machine. Looking straight ahead, kindly draw your forearm towards the midline. And then draw your forearm away from the midline. Again, exhale as you draw your forearm towards the midline. Inhale as you draw your forearm away from the midline. And one more time. Exhale and inhale. As you stop the exercise, remove one arm away from the forearm pad. Place it on either side of the seat and the other hand on the other side of the seat. Shift your buttock forward, leaning forward into standing. We've come to the end of our exercise session. Do remember to do your cool down exercises. And remember also to sanitize your hand and wash your hand before you touch anywhere around the face or your mouth. With this, see you next time. Bye.